Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have something so exciting to share with you today and I'm just over the moon about it. This is my second handpan. So I got another NovaPan, or they're called Paniverse, on Amazon. And this one is supposed to be kind of a higher quality one, so I'm really excited to open it up and see what it looks like. So here we go. So if you've been following my handpan journey at all, you know that I have been learning on the one I have for a little more than 2 months now. So I'm really excited to try another one because I have only ever tried the one that I own. So let's see what this one's like. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, get this out of the way, and a bunch of styrofoam. And here it is. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna get this box out of the way, and then we'll see what's inside. Okay, let's look inside. So excited. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's blue, which is my favorite color. I'm sure I've said that many times before, but oh my gosh, just look how it shines in the sun. Ah, I'm so in love with it. That's amazing. Okay, so let's, and I just wanted to share with you while I've got it out how much I love this backpack case. That's just so cool. I just love the idea of throwing something on your back and carrying it around because I never have any hands to carry anything. I've got a couple kids, so it complicates things. So I like this case. Oh my goodness. This is seriously just so beautiful. So pretty. Yeah, it's so interesting. It has a different sound than my other one. I'm definitely going to have to do a comparison video because I want to show this off for sure. So awesome. So this handpan is in D curd, which is like a handpan fancy way of saying it's in D minor. It has the notes of the D minor scale. So it will play really nice with any instruments that are tuned to F major, or if you have other friends who are playing songs that are in F major, then this will work nicely with that and it'll sound good. But also I really like its tone. It's got like this, I wouldn't call it like an attack. See, An attack means something different when you're talking in like musical terms. The way that it sounds is it sounds like the sound is really harsh or like sudden. But that's not what attack really means. The attack just means what it sounds like when you very first make the note. So when I say that I really like the attack of this handpan, basically what I'm saying is that first strike, that just like instant of sound. It just like bursts out of there in this really warm, it's so beautiful. So this handpan is made by NovaPans. They have their own website, which I will link in the description, but they do also sell on Amazon under the name Paniverse. So if you want to grab one, I will put a link down in the description to that, and you can go look and pick one up for yourself. They are a little over $1,000, and as you know, that is kind of a general price for an introductory handpan. If you want to check out my other video about one of their introductory models of handpans, that one is a little bit less expensive, which really helps. But this one is kind of a higher quality step up, which is why I grabbed it, because I wanted to try that higher quality. And I will be doing a comparison video in the future also, so you guys can kind of see what I think about the differences between the two pans. But yeah, if you want to grab one, I will put a link down there so you can grab one. And if you have any questions, please do feel free to ask me in the comments. I try my very, very hardest to get back to all of them. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button right up there. Otherwise, if you would like to join my Patreon or buy me a coffee, the links to those are down in the description. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.